Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here to give you a first look. Just arrived in Hong Kong, the Mi 10T Lite. And this is definitely the color that I'm going to get. It is, what is the name of this color? Rose Gold Beach here in Hong Kong. It's got this beautiful from green to almost kind of goldish look. It is pretty stunning. And this Mi 10T Lite shot on the Mi 10T Pro. So this is the 128 GB version. Got a quick rundown of the specs. You can see Snapdragon 750G. You got the 64 megapixel AI quad camera, and you have the 120 hertz adaptive 6.67 inch display. Let's play around with this thing. Let's have a go, shall we? So initial impressions. Let me check the actual display of this thing. And it looks pretty good. There's very little ghosting on this unit. And I do like the centered punch hole versus the left side punch hole. I kind of go back and forth. I'm left or center, but I think both look pretty good. Overall though, the 120 hertz refresh rate looks really nice. And have you seen a camera module like this before? I'm getting POCO X3 NFC vibes. There you see premium AI camera. What a gorgeous color this is. Very nice. In terms of performance, obviously, Snapdragon 750. It's going to be a really fast, I think pretty good mid-range chipset. 5G capable. See if we have yeah, we do. There it is. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And on the back we have a 64 megapixel. I think it's the IMX682. I'm not 100% sure. Damn. I do like this kind of like, almost like a kind of a glossy band around. A bit different than the typical POCO X3 NFC. But anyways guys, good news is this one should be available for pre-order 6th of November, very soon here in Hong Kong. And stay tuned, of course, for all the coverage here on the channel. You know how we do, guys. Just leaving you though with this last look of this back. Man, this is beautiful. What a beautiful back it is. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. And stay tuned. And that's it for this one. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Pretty loud in here, guys, so I'm going to let them have a look at their phones now. But that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.